So this will probably seem a little strange, but I'm going to talk to my phone.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, we made it. This is where Chris works. We're at Blank Canvas Studios, where they teach art to developmentally disabled adults. So they're having a class, our art class that we're attending, and it's also a wine tasting and cheese and stuff like that. And it's to support the school here. I've got my posse with me here. Hey, Chris. Hey, she's getting you. Say something.
Something.
We're about to start painting.
Everybody, before you get started, if you want to get like your drinks or whatever you need before, and then what we're gonna do is, if you want to locate pencil.
Okay, here's the painting we're reproducing right here. Wow, Anna. Yeah, that's pretty good. She's doing her rendition of it.
No, you just make the black white and then put
Again,
color.
you can add this on any way that you want to.
I love the color. Now, I think I have come really close to reproducing that. There we go, look.
It would be like an easy technique.
This is my second art lesson, but I feel like I've made a breakthrough here.
Yeah, Brian was here earlier. This is also one of our artists.
Yay!
He likes to do a lot of abstract things.